this far. All right, let's try again. So when you're looking at a rectangle, the little squares here are placed there because that box means that that angle is 90 degrees. When you're looking to do area, in elementary school you said length times width, which is not wrong. But as we get further, you're going to start hearing a base times height. It means the same thing, okay? So don't let that throw you. But when you're doing area, you just take your measurements, 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters. So 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and that gives me 50 centimeters squared. Okay. With area, you always square it. Okay. All right. For perimeter, you are going to use this formula. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Now, I would, if it were me, because I think it's quicker, especially with smaller numbers, I would just add them. Okay. So in my head, I would do 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. And then I would have gotten my 30 centimeters. Okay. The formula, though, helps when it's not as pretty and obvious as this. So I'm going to plug it in. 2 times 10 plus 2 times 5. So then we get 2 times 10 is 20 plus 2 times 5 is 10. So we get that the perimeter is 30 centimeters. Okay. All right, I'm going to move to the triangle here that I have. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Triangle is base times height divided by 2. Okay. This one can be confusing because what's the base, what's the height? So in this problem, the base is 12 inches. So I know I'm going to do 12 times, and the height is in here with this right angle. So find the right angle within the triangle. A lot of people try to do it times this number, 7.2, but that's wrong because that's not the height. It's talking about the from the bottom of the base to the top part of the triangle. Well, in this case, it seems reversed, but it's still the same. So I'm going to do 12 times 6, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. So 12 times 6 is 78. I mean 72. Where my brain went there. 72 and 2. So 2 can go into 72. So that would be the area would be 36 inches squared. Area, you always square, you square the unit of measure, not the number. I have a lot of people that come in and do this. Oh, these colors don't like me. This. That's wrong because we're not squaring the number. We're squaring the thing that we did inches by inches. Okay, inches by inches. All right. The next one is for perimeter. And for this perimeter, you just add up all the outside lines. So a common mistake is that people, I don't know what that's doing. Okay. The common mistake when doing perimeter, people think they have to add in that height. The height is not on the outside of the shape. So we only have to do the things that are on the inside of the shape. Okay, so you're going to do 12 plus 7 2/10 plus 10. Okay, I always group these to make them a little easier. So I'm going to add my 10 and my 12, and that's going to be 22, 7 2/10. Okay, so when I'm adding, the perimeter is 29 2/10 inches. Okay, this should help you with your quiz on area and perimeter.